In this video, I want to show you how to open the hood of your Subaru Legacy. Many generation works the same, even if you don't have the same Legacy as I'm showing you right now. Go in the driver footwell, and over here, well, your dash will not be that disassembled, but you're gonna find a latch over here that you need to pull fully. Okay, this will release the hood. If you go over here, you're gonna glide your finger where the Subaru logo is, and you're gonna find that something is sticking out. I'll show it to you in a few seconds. It will make more sense to you. But once you find that thing, you need to push it towards the left and pull the hood. Okay, this is the thing that was there. You need to put your fingers there and at the same time push the hood. Now, you need to lock this hood in place if you want to have access to the engine bay. So you're going to remove the prop rod and you can place it in one of these holes on the top to keep it secure. Actually, no, sorry, on this model it has a specific place. All right, so this way you don't damage the metal. Great. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.